Say, man, wait up.
Okay.
Hey, man, I'm glad today is Friday. That means no more work for me until next Monday. Man, what you doing walking home in the rain?
Oh, man, I caught my old lady with another man last night. I think I'm gonna walk home today and kind of think things over. It's gonna be kind of rough because I ain't gonna even be able to tell the tears from the rain, man. You know what I mean, Hal?
Yeah, I think I know what you mean, man.
Leaving work on a Friday,